Setting up your kitchen, or even just updating your drawer, can get overwhelming fast. One trip down the kitchen aisle and you're hit with tools you never knew existed. Avocado slicers, egg cubers, herb strippers. Come on, let's be real. You don't need a cluttered drawer of single-use gadgets. What you do need are a few reliable basics that make everyday cooking simpler, faster, and way less frustrating. So where should you start? Right here. In this video, I'm breaking down the must-have kitchen essentials every home cook truly needs. Some cost just $14, others a bit more, and you can grab them all on Amazon using the links in the description. Let's get into it. 1. Knives, the backbone of your kitchen. If there's one tool to splurge on a little, it's a good chef's knife. You'll use it daily for chopping onions, slicing chicken, dicing herbs, and everything in between. The key? It should feel balanced in your hand, not too heavy, not too light. Go for an 8-inch stainless steel blade with a full tang. That's when the metal runs all the way through the handle. It's sturdier that way. But don't stop at one. A small paring knife is great for more delicate tasks, like peeling apples or deveining shrimp, and a serrated bread knife is handy for slicing crusty loaves without squashing them. Try the Amarco 14-piece knife set. Includes all chef knives and is super sharp, affordable, and comfortable for daily use. 2. Cutting boards. Keep it clean and safe. Wood or plastic? That's the age-old debate. Here's the deal. Plastic boards are dishwasher safe, which is great for raw meat and poultry. Wooden boards, especially those made from bamboo or maple, are gentler on your knives and perfect for fruits, veggies, and bread. Ideally, have 2 boards, one for raw proteins and one for everything else. That way, you avoid any cross-contamination headache. Look for boards that don't slide around on the counter. If they do, a simple dish towel underneath can keep things steady. For a reliable option, consider this Gorilla Grip BPA-free reversible kitchen cutting board set of 3. It has deep juice grooves and is dishwasher safe. 3. Measuring cups and spoons. Accuracy matters. Eyeballing ingredients might work for scrambled eggs, but when it comes to baking, measurements are everything. Dry measuring cups, those you scoop flour or sugar into, usually come in a nesting set. Make sure they feel sturdy in your hand. Cheap plastic ones tend to crack or warp in the dishwasher. Liquid measuring cups are different. They usually have a spout and clear measurement line. A 2-cup glass one is super versatile and can go in the microwave too. And don't forget measuring spoons. Magnetic ones that stick together are convenient and take up less drawer space. Plus, you won't lose the 1/2 teaspoon again. We've all been there. Check out the OXO Good Grip stainless steel measuring cups and spoon set. It's easy to read and durable. Grab it now on Amazon. Mixing bowls, more than just for baking. Mixing bowls might seem like a background player, but you'll use them for everything, from tossing salads and mixing batters to marinating chicken. Stainless steel bowls are lightweight, durable, and often come in stackable sets. Glass bowls are a great alternative if you like seeing what's going on inside, especially for dough or batter. Bowls with non-slip bottoms are a game changer. They stay put when you're whisking like crazy. Bonus points if they come with lids for easy storage in the fridge. The Cuisinart stainless steel mixing bowls with lids are a solid set that covers all your prep needs. 5. Utensils, the right tools for the task. Think of your utensils as the supporting cast to your star chef's knife. A good set includes a slotted spoon for draining pasta or scooping poached eggs, a solid spoon, a spatula, silicone is best for non-stick pans, and tongs. Tongs are basically an extension of your hands. You'll use them for flipping meat, tossing vegetables, and serving salad. You'll also want a sturdy whisk, a ladle for soups, and a microplane grater for zesting citrus or grating hard cheese. Wooden spoons? Always useful, and they won't scratch your pans. Just avoid overstuffing your drawer. Stick to quality over quantity. If something only does one job, we're looking at you. Corn cob butterer. Skip it. Start with the OXO 15-piece everyday kitchen steel utensil set. It covers all the basics without taking over your counter. 6. Cookware basics. Skip the 20-piece set. Tempted by that giant cookware set with a dozen mismatched lids? Don't fall for it. You only need a few solid pans to get started. A non-stick skillet, a stainless steel saucepan, and a heavy-bottomed Dutch oven or stock pot. The non-stick skillet is great for eggs and pancakes, low-heat tasks. Stainless steel pans give a nice sear on meats and are great for making sauces. And a Dutch oven does it all, simmering soups, roasting chicken, even baking bread. Look for comfortable handles, snug lids, and a weight that feels good to lift, especially if you're pouring hot liquid. And yes, always check if it's dishwasher safe. This 11-piece set from Cuisinart is a kitchen powerhouse, delivering top-notch performance for every cooking task. Made from premium stainless steel, it's oven safe and a breeze to clean. Grab yours today. Best purchase links are down in the description. 7. Baking sheets and pans, not just for cookies. A sturdy rimmed baking sheet is one of the most versatile tools in your kitchen. You'll use it for roasting vegetables, baking fish, even catching drips under bubbling casserole. Go for heavy-duty aluminum or steel. They cook more evenly and don't warp at high temps. Add a silicone baking mat or parchment paper to make cleanup easier. If you do plan to bake, a muffin pan, a 9 by 13 baking dish, and a loaf pan are solid addition. But for general use, 1 or 2 sheet pans will get you pretty far. This Hongbake 9-piece baking set is heavy-duty, non-stick, and cooks evenly. With a stylish gold finish and diamond texture, it includes essentials like a cookie sheet, muffin tin, and roasting pan, all stackable and non-toxic. 8 colanders and strainers. Drain with confidence. Pasta night, you'll need a colander. Washing berries, a fine mesh strainer does the trick. These tools aren't glamorous, but when you need them, there's no substitute. Collapsible colanders save space if you're tight on storage. And strainers with long handles can double as sifters for flour or powdered sugar. The CHEFS collapsible colander set of 3 is a sturdy, affordable pick that holds a full pot of pasta and other foods with ease. 9. Can opener, peeler, and kitchen shears, the unsung hero. These small tools often get overlooked until you really need one. A manual can opener that actually works and doesn't slip is a must. Test a few to find one that glides smoothly and doesn't leave sharp edges. A sharp vegetable peeler saves time and frustration. And kitchen shears, they'll be your go-to for everything from cutting herbs to snipping open packages to trimming raw meat. Keep them clean and sharp, and they'll earn their place in your drawer. Try these KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener, and HUSK Kitchen Scissors and Vegetable Peeler Set. 10. Storage containers. Leftovers need love too. Having a good set of storage containers means your fridge won't become a graveyard of forgotten takeout. Choose containers that stack neatly, seal tightly, and are microwave safe. Glass ones are heavier, but they don't stain or hold odors. Plastic is lighter and often more affordable, but not all are dishwasher or microwave friendly. Don't forget to label leftovers with dates, especially if you like playing "What's that?" in the back of the fridge. The Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers are crystal clear, leak-proof, and stack like a dream. Bottom line, start with the basics you'll use daily, then expand as you figure out what your cooking style really needs. Choose tools that clean up easily and actually make cooking feel less like a chore and more like a creative outlet. For the best food processors, watch this video. We have reviewed the top 5. Like and